How to record screen on your iPad. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm your solution guy Bimal, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can record screen on your iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now before we get started, this tutorial not only applies to your iPad but also to any of the iOS devices such as iPhones and so on. So in order to record screen on our iPad, first of all we would need to add screen recording controls to our control center. In order to do that, we will simply go ahead and launch the settings app on our iPad. Once we launch the settings app, on the left hand side you'll be able to see a bunch of various options. What you have to do is simply select the option which says control center. When you select control center, it is basically going to get highlighted in blue, so make sure that you have selected control center. Once you select control center, on the right hand side you can see two sections which says included controls and more controls. You want to make sure that screen recording is also included on the included controls tab. If it's not included, you need to simply actually remove it, let's say, and I will search for the screen recording option at the bottom and I will tap on the plus icon, and as I do that, screen recording will move to our control center. Now let's say I want to record this screen on my iPad. I have to simply swipe down from the top right hand corner of the screen and you'll find this new icon which is the circular icon of screen recording. This is basically it's on how you can screen record it. Now this option could vary upon yours as well. It could be somewhere on top or somewhere at the bottom of the screen depending upon all of the icons which you have on your control center. You can actually simply start the screen recording by tapping on it, but if you want to actually explore a few more options, you have to simply long press on it, and when you long press on it, you'll be able to see a bunch of various applications. By default, it is going to be selected to photos. Now I'll explain to you what these applications mean. For example, if it's checked on photos, it means that after your screen recording is complete, that file is going to be saved to the Photos app. If it's set to Gmail, after you finish screen recording it, your iPad is going to ask it to mail it to somebody else, and such as it could be sent on Messenger and so on, but I will simply leave it to default photos. If you wanted to turn on or off your microphone, at the bottom you also have this microphone icon. For example, you can see this microphone. If you want to turn it on, it's going to be highlighted in red. If you want to turn it off, it's going to be grayed out basically. And once you want to start your recording, I'll simply tap on the start recording button, as you can see. And once you start recording, on the left hand side or the right hand side, you'll see this red indicator that the screen recording is currently active. If you want to pause your screen recording, what you have to do is simply tap on this red icon and you'll be on the screen. While you're on the screen, you have options such as cancel or stop. Now if you want to pause it, you simply want to leave your screen recording to this particular screen. If you want to cancel a recording, you could tap on cancel and it is going to resume from exactly that point of time. Or if you want to stop your screen recording, then you could tap on the stop button. In order to pause it, you have to leave it to this screen. So let me just go ahead and stop the screen recording, and I will show you. But it says it's saved to photos, so I will tap on the Photos app right over here and I will select that particular screen recording which you actually just recorded. And this is how you can screen record on your iPad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.